Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally doing something I wanted to do for a long time. A room tour, which many of you have been asking for. This is the place where I spend most of my time. I work here, I rest here, and it's a space that inspires me. You'll find little details in the decor, my workspace, my books, and of course all the personal touches that reflect who I am. I hope you enjoy watching and maybe even find some ideas to inspire you while decorating your own room. If you got your tea and coffee ready, come along and let's explore my room together. Let's get started! First, I want to begin with my bed corner. Here I have lots of plush toys, a floor lamp, and of course my bed. My bedding is in shades of yellow and my plush toys complement with soft pastel tones. My bed itself is made of a white metal and it's super cozy. I really enjoy sleeping here. The plush toys decorate my bed beautifully and are incredibly soft to the touch. Their texture is so fluffy. Do you recognize the characters of these plushies? Which cartoons are they from? Let me know in the comments. This yellow star plush is from Temu and it's my absolute favorite. Here's what my floor lamp looks like when I turn it on. I personally love using warm yellow light in rooms. Right next to it, I have my pink metal nightstand. Let's take a look at what's on top one by one. First, you'll notice a photo frame, a candle, and a jewelry holder. I guess I'm a bit of a fancy girl. I love having aesthetic decor pieces here. Oh, and here are my nail polishes. I really like glittery, shimmery shades as well as nude tones. There's also a cute little mirror here. It looks so adorable. Right next to that, I have sticky notes, a notepad, my mini pins, another frame, and a candle. On the lower shelf, you'll find a notebook, mushroom-shaped decoration, a mini lamp, and my makeup pouch. I have several rugs in my room. The largest one is a pink checkered rug, and there are also some smaller and fluffy ones. I got those from AliExpress, and they're incredibly soft and pleasant to the touch. Look at the posters on my wall. The color theme here is entirely pastel and soft. In the middle of the room, I have a clear acrylic table. It's really practical, although sometimes I forgot it's there because it's transparent. On top of that, I keep my planner notebook, a big mug of coffee, and some clay pins that I made myself. Yes, I made these with my own hands. Look at this little seashell! I even painted it myself. Next to the table is my clothing rack. Here you can see a painter's hat, a girly dean bag, and some of my favorite clothes. I love wearing comfortable outfits, so you won't find anything too fancy here. As you can see, everything looks so cozy. Some pieces are two-toned, but again, all the colors are just soft, just the way I like them. Clothes, you'll find my slippers, 2 pairs of plush slippers, and a classic pair. My school bags are right behind them. I'm a big fan of backpacks, so I have a quite collection. I mean, look at their colors and designs. Like, aren't they so unique? I absolutely love them. Next to that, I have my IKEA cart, which I use as an organizer. Let's take a look at what's inside. It's full of notebooks, pens, markers, tapes, and stickers. Really, it's packed with stationery. That's why I love this organizer too much. It has 3 tiers and each one is loaded with cute little items. Now it's time to move on to my desk. Just look at how big this desk is and everything on it. Let's start on the left. In the first drawer, I keep wax seals for letter stamping. I can't talk. I have them in all kinds of colors and styles. Next to that, I keep some band-aids for emergencies. And you can also spot a few posters here. On top of the desk, I have lots of tiny decorations and trinkets. Let me show you each one. that's it. We've explored my room from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed watching and found some inspiration in the little details here. This space is truly special to me and it's been such a pleasure sharing it with you. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd also love to hear your thoughts or any questions about the room in the comments below. Maybe if you have ideas for making a space even cozier, feel free to share them too. See you in the next video, take care of yourselves, and goodbye!